So I have this Google Doc where I write down like any clips or anything I want to talk about on stream. And I have these 2 clips from a pro game that I just haven't talked about. So I don't know what they are, actually. I haven't looked at these at all, but I figure I would look about them on stream. Maybe it turns into a video. Maybe we can have some decent talks around them. So this first one, I have a B play. So what you're going to see is they're going to do something intelligent. This is not, I was going to say different or smart. It's smart. It's not really different, though. This is a pretty common strategy that you'll see when this happens, but I think a lot of players can benefit from it. So what exactly happened here that I thought was cool, that I was like worth enough to clip it and like go through it? I think this is going to be really helpful for a lot of players who maybe are in like the moderate ranks, maybe gold or platinum. They don't understand how they're losing post plants a lot. I think this could be helpful information for people. So, by the way, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel down below, do all those cool things. And yeah, let's continue. So what's going to happen in this play that I think is cool, I'm going to point it out on the mini map. They don't actually see it too much on the screen. And you might think I'm talking about the flank, which is like a little bit, but it's mostly like the thought process behind it, right? So they get the plant down with the Killjoy ulti up. Obviously, this is a risky decision because it's going to give them all control of the site. They know that everybody's playing off site at this point in time. So they're going to start pushing in. You're going to notice as the Cypher player goes down, he's pushing into Garage. And the reason that he's pushing into Garage is because if they're going to be giving up the territory on site, they have to take territory somewhere else. So maybe if they go for a flank here, or if they take control of a different area, it's going to make the site hold possible. And the Sova player realizes this, Moose as well. And he's going to say, I know that we're not going to be able to hold this if we don't take something else. So he's going to force his way into Garage right now, and he's going to come in for this flank. You notice how the Omen player gives it up, and now it's going to be very difficult because they have Moose coming in right here, and they have this player in middle. As long as this player in middle, Stellar, just stalls out, this is a winnable round for them, right? And that's when Moose comes in for the flank right here. Now you're going to see what Stellar does. Again, really awesome. He's going to start spamming into this wall to get the attention of this operator, Chemicals. And now Chemicals turns his attention to Stellar, as he thinks that Stellar's right here. He's engaging him. And now Moose is actually going to approach from the other side. Really well done from LG, actually. I actually love this play a lot. This is actually really well played. I have one more play here. Can't remember what it was. Once again, have no idea. So there's a common trend with Raze players where they just feel the need to do this double satchel into the enemy's spawn at the beginning of the round. I hate it. Why? I never understand. It never works out well. So this is just, I guess, like a PSA for Raze mains that, like, somebody sent me a clip of this working. I guess Asuna did it, but it was like later into the round. He didn't just do it right away. I've just never seen it work out. He just literally pushes out and he ends up dying. It's just like, it doesn't seem like a smart move because you satchel out, sure, but you have 2 sides right here to check. I guess like the theory is that you have a rocket, so you can check them both very quickly, and if somebody's there, you just ult them. Or if they're pushing this early, you can just land an ult on them. But you still have a distance to travel. And when I hear like a Raze ult immediately, I just start backing up. It just seems like this never works out well. So the reason that she did this and the reason that she went this way is because the enemy team have been pushing showers a lot. So I guess she's trying to flank them right here. It ends up getting picked off and Chemicals ends up going down.
Don't invest the paranoia.
I don't have the rest of the round. I'm going to make the assumption that they lose this round off of this. Yeah, this is my PSA. Raze, stop doing this. Why? It never works. I guess maybe it worked once out of like every 10 for you. I never see it work. It never works out in my experience. That's gonna do it. Those were our 2 rounds. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel down below, check us out on Twitch, and I will see you guys in the next video.